Hi, this is Stephen. We've already looked at the TH sound, or should I say sounds, because there are really two of them. We've got the TH sound in thin, which is a voiceless sound, and the TH sound in this, which is a voiced sound. Both of them are produced by touching the tip of your tooth, the tip of your tongue to your upper teeth, the tip of your tongue to your upper teeth, like or the. Today, we're going to look specifically at the voiced sound, the. It doesn't seem to be as common as the voiceless sound, the, but there are some really important words that have this sound in them. And what you don't want to do is confuse the with d, or z. The big difference with the d sound is that that's a short sound. You can't stretch out a d. But the th sound, you can stretch it out as long as you want. The. The tongue position is also different for both of those. The Z sound, z, can also be stretched out like the TH sound, the, but your tongue position is different. So remember, to pronounce the voiced TH sound correctly, make sure that the tip of your tongue is touching your upper teeth and that you're using your voice, your vocal cords, the. So let's practice words that start with a voiced TH. Like I said, there are not a lot of them, but they're very common words. That, then, the, they, there, them, these, this, those, though, themselves, therefore. We have the voice TH sound in the middle of these words between two vowels. So make sure that you pronounce it the same way. Another, bathing, brother, clothing, either, father, feather, gather, leather, mother, other, rather, smoothest, soothing, tether, together, weather, weatherman, worthy. And we also have some words that end with this voiced TH sound. Let's practice them. Bathe, breathe, lathe, loathe, scathe, seethe, teeth. Now, let's see if we can make some sentences that have the TH sound, the voiced TH sound, pronounced again and again. Practice after me. They went together with their father and their mother. They went together with their father and their mother. My mother likes sunbathing in any kind of weather. My mother likes sunbathing in any kind of weather. My brother always wears leather clothing. My brother always wears leather clothing. Knowing how to pronounce the voiced TH sound, the, correctly is an important part in learning how to pronounce it right.